welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine number 200. We are finally at 200 and it is Christmas Day. And we have 15 new engines, excluding Rosie. Rosie was for my birthday, not for Christmas. So here they are. We have Victor, Build It Brock, Shinkansen, Playrail Emily, 2012 Diesel, Talking Thomas, Playrail Hero, Talking Percy, 8-Wheeled Wilson, Tommy Steamalong Thomas, Talking With, another Wilson, Thomas at Brendam Docks, but he's talking, Chuggania Brewster, and Playrail Toby. So yeah, let's get started with 2012 Diesel versus Victor. Let me just swap them. So, ...2012 Diesel moves on to the next round. Next up, we're going to have Talking Thomas versus Playrail Toby. Let's try that again. Talking Thomas wins. And now, Chuggania Brewster versus Playrail Emily. Try again. Playrail Emily wins. Chuggania Brewster is out. Now, we're having Shinkansen Engine versus Wilson. Shinkansen wins. Now we're having Rosie versus Talking With. Rosie's out. Now we're gonna have Build It Brock versus 8-Wheeled Wilson. Build It Brock wins. Sorry, 8-Wheeled Wilson. Now we have Tony Steamalong Thomas versus Talking Percy. On my way. Go. Steamalong Percy wins. And then Steamalong Thomas.
Hello. Homer's best friend. Where are you headed? To the loop. Whee!
Now we have Thomas at the Docks versus Playrail Hero. Playrail Hero wins.
Hello, friend.
Time for round 2, and we're starting with Playrail Hero versus Build It Brock. Oh. Okay, wow. Build It Brock is out. Next up, Playrail Emily versus 2012 Diesel. 2012 Diesel's out. And now it's Steam Along Thomas versus Talking With. Try again. Try again. Real Steam Thomas gets the win. Finishing up the quarterfinals, it's Talking Thomas versus Shinkansen. Shinkansen's out.
Hi, best friend. Hi, Thomas.
Semi-finals time. It's Steam Along Thomas versus Playrail Hero. Sorry, Playrail Hero, but you're out. Steam Along Thomas goes on to the finals for the very first time. Who will he face? Playrail Emily or Talking Thomas?
Sweeter than ashes. Hello, best friend. Hello, best friend. Where are you going? I'm on my way to the quarry. Mail to deliver.
Final round. It's Talking Thomas versus Steam Along Thomas.
Hello, friend. Hi, Thomas. That's me. You're a great friend.
Tony Real Steam Thomas is the winner. Thanks for watching, everyone, and hope you have a Merry Christmas. Bye.